Hello, students. How are you all? Hope you all are good at home. Students, yesterday I explained chapter 3 of literature, Cat's Paradise, and I explained the meaning of paradise in the chapter also. So, today we will continue with the same chapter. We will do the question answers of this chapter. So, first question is, describe the condition in which the narrator lived before leaving the house. So before the explanation of this question, I just want to tell who is narrator in this question. So the students, narrator is the pet cat, because in the whole chapter pet cat is narrating his story. पेट कैट ही था जो अपनी पूरी की पूरी स्टोरी नरेट कर रहा था कि हाउ इज ही गेटिंग ऑल द कंफर्ट्स इन हर इन हिज मास्टर्स हाउस. सो स्टूडेंट्स, हमें इस क्वेश्चन में नरेटर के जीवन के बारे में बताना है कि घर छोड़ने से पहले उसकी कंडीशन कैसी थी. Students, we have studied already in the chapter. The narrator was getting all the comforts in comforts by his master in his house. He was getting fresh meat instead of soup and bread. He was getting a comfortable bed. He was getting 3 blankets to feel comfortable. So students, I hope you have cleared. The condition was very good before leaving the house. So the narrator was feeling very comfortable in his master's house. Now the question number 2 is, why did the narrator fancy outside world? वो बाहर क्यों निकलना चाहता था? Because he thought that the outside world is a good paradise for animals. So then, because the pet cat had become, the narrator had become fat with all the comforts which was given by his master. Clear? So he want to go outside, because one day he saw some cats were playing on the rooftops and he also wanted to join them. He also wanted to play like them. That's why he wanted to go out from the house. Clear? Actually if we can understand, he was jarred about the freedom. He wanted to get freedom only. Clear? So students, the next question is, why did the other cats call the narrator a scaredy cat? उसको मतलब क्यों डराया था उन्होंने, and why was the narrator scared? और वो क्यों डर गया था सॉरी. Students, when he was out from the house, we already have discussed in the chapter, when pet cat was out from the house, जब वो घर से बाहर निकली थी, he don't know how to walk on the roofs like other cats. His legs were trembling with fear, because some cats were frightening him by meowing frightfully. That's why the other cats called him scaredy cat. Clear? Is that clear? And he went out from the house first time. That's why she was scared. He was scared, sorry. The next question is, what did the Tom cat say to the narrator? Who is Tom cat? Tom cat is one of the cat which he get out from the house. Clear? So Tom cat is best friend of pet cat. The Tom cat told the narrator that he can never be adjust with the outside world, because he went out from the house first time only. So and he doesn't know how to survive in the outside world. That's why the Tom cat said, you can never be adjust with the outside world, because he had used to all the comforts which was given by his master in his house. Clear? So only the street cats can survive in the outside world, because they all have freedom to walk, to do anything. That's why they were able to survive in the outside world. So question number 5 is, in what ways was life on the street different from the life that the narrator had led? Students, we already have discussed, because we know that the house life is fully secured and comfortable in everyone's life. We got everything on one demand by our parents. But out of home, the life was fully struggled, because we have to do struggle for everything, like for food, for clothes, for everything. So we can say the street life is hard and full of struggle. No doubt we can say street life has freedom, but is very hard. So street life is different from the comfortable life which we can get out at home. So we should never be thankless to our parents, and we should know the importance of their hard earned money. So students, I hope you all have understood all these questions. If you have any doubt in your mind, then you can contact me anytime at my personal number. So thank you. Stay home, stay safe. God bless you all.